am not average. I have been custom made, and I am one of a kind. Of all the things God created,
Come here, balatong. Balatong, come here.
the most proud of is me. I am his masterpiece, his most prized possession. I will keep my head held high. No,
Uy, huwag ka nang umakyat dyan. Come here. No, no.
made in
Come,
his
come.
very image.
Come on.
I declare that I will use my words to bless people.
Balatong, come. Yes. Balatong. Huwag sa higaan. Huwag sa higaan ko. Naglalakad-lakad ka sa labas eh. Dito ka. Dito ka. Kasapin mo yung mga ibang ningmings.
I love you. You are amazing. You are talented. You are beautiful. You will do great things in this life.
Huwag ka dyan sa kwarto. Tamang. Mingming.
Not thoughts of defeat or failure. By faith,
Ano?
I am well.
Pinangarap mo pumasok dito. Anong meron sa loob? Ganito lang pala.
I am equipped.
Come on. Yes. Come here. Come. Balatong.
My thoughts are guided by
Balatong,
God's
come on.
word every day. No obstacle can defeat me because my mind is programmed for victory. I declare that I will live as a healer. I am sensitive to the needs of those around me. I will lift the fallen, restore the broken, and encourage the
Halika na.
discouraged.
Come. Balatong.